like the hammer when
Are you gonna eat breakfast next to me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Which team are you rooting for?
What?
Which team are you rooting for?
Red.
Red team. 49ers. This has been the most aggressive game I've ever seen. There's like a fight on every play. Oh, thank you, sir. Got some honey toast. Kev kicked Emmett out of his spot. Made him sit over there.
Heck yeah, I do.
Kevin and I just realized that it's the 49ers verse.
49ers verse.
Whoops. 49ers verse.
Carolina Panthers.
Oh no, it's versus.
Oh my god.
No, Allie's mom just told me I said it wrong, but now I can't remember which one's right. I think it's versus.
It's versus.
Carolina versus the 49ers. And we just realized that those are the two teams of the two states, basically, that we would have lived in. Pretty much. Like, everyone in Reno roots for the 49ers, and if we had gone to North Carolina, which was his other option for a school, we would be rooting for the Panthers right now. Another great day for football. 49ers won, and we were so inspired by our weekend of watching football, we decided we need to own our own. So we're back at Walmart. So many options. Should we get serious and get some of these?
No.
Happy?
Are you happy?
Yeah. You gonna be able to play with your gloves on?
Yeah.
Think you're a professional?
Why, do they wear gloves?
No. Oh, some of them do, don't they?
Do they wear
They don't have fuzzy gloves.
Do they wear their mom's cotton gloves?
And flannels, I think. Kevin wants me to film him catching the ball. Nice, Kev. Kissing the biceps like Kaepernick.
That must be it, right, Kevin?
Right to me. I hand it to you, I throw it to you.
Throw it to me. Alright, blue. 2-4-2, set, aye. Spin it. Yeah, there you go.
Don't kick him.
You gotta kneel down with it. Okay. Yeah.
There's a soccer ball stuck in the tree, and we're gonna throw a football to get it out. Why do I feel like the football's gonna get stuck in there too?
Right under it.
It's way up there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Young man, you get down here this instant.
Okay, how close am I?
You're really far away.
I can't get that. You got it.
It's like 10 more feet up.
This is the angle right here. What's the angle?
And look at that. There it is. Stuck in the tree. The last 2 times I played with the ball with Kevin, or frisbee, got stuck.
What?
What?
Hmm?
Hmm?
What?
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 Hmm?
Day 3 of soup. This lasted us a long time. Very delicious too, still. Can't believe we bought a football today and lost it. That was crummy luck. Oh, you want to look in there? Were you wondering why I was talking to the camera? It's because I'm talking to all the people that are going to watch it. Do you have anything to say to them?
Yeah.
What do you want to say to them? Very well put. Kev wants Amy Adams to win Best Actress.
First I was on the seat for the 49ers game, now it's for Amy Adams.
Yeah.
Golden Globe goes to Amy Adams.
That's my girl.
Bakadabdi, Captain Felix.
Kevin really wants Bradley Cooper to win this.
In Rush.
Yeah!
American Hustle.
You better win it. You better.
You already got
I
Amy
like him a lot though
Adams.
too. I like Michael Fassbender a lot though.
Golden Globe goes to Jared Leto.
Jared fucking Leto? Are you kidding me? 30 Seconds to Mars, god damn it. Well, guys, I just wanted to show you a cute little clip of tonight, maybe to say goodnight.
Somebody does not like the experimental.
How can such a rumble come out of that? And he's holding his ears for some reason too.
No, he's putting his hands behind his head. Because I got up and he was laying on me.
We are playing phase 10 and I just put my hand in a shoe. We're playing phase 10, which is really similar to Liverpool, which is the game we always used to play back in San Clemente. And Kevin is winning, of course.
Today I've almost had a hat trick. The 49ers won. I have phased out every round of phase 10.
And Amy.
What's the my hat trick would have been complete if
If Bradley Cooper won.
Bradley Cooper would have won the supporting actor.